I'm Brett with Streamlight, and today we're going to talk about the TLR-1 HP. But before we get started, we've completed our safety sweep of the area. There's no live ammo or magazines. The firearm has been chambered and flagged and it's empty. To install the batteries, you're going to flip the camming lever on the back of the light, push up on the bottom of the tail cap switch. There's also battery polarity indicators on each side of the light. Install the batteries, then you want to clip the bottom of the switch, push it all the way closed, and then you should cam the lever. To mount the light, you're going to rotate the screw. There's a soft stop. You just want to rotate it all the way out. Push in on the screw, and that's going to move the off side of the clamp out. So when you're mounting it to the firearm, you can kind of hook the outside, pressing on the spring, and it'll roll onto the frame. Then you're going to want to tighten the screw securely, and you can also use a coin. There's a slot in the screw. There's also ears so that you can get a pretty good grip on it and get the light mounted securely on the firearm. You're going to push down for momentary, up to lock the light on. For left-handers, it's going to be the opposite. You're going to push up for momentary and down to lock the light on. The TLR-1 HP has been designed for a tighter focus. So what it gives you is a much higher candela rating, and it gives you more downrange light and focused beam. You still have an arc or a periphery of light around the outside, but the hotspot is really designed to stay tightly focused, giving you more distance and more downrange light. The TLR-1 HP also has a strobe mode that's achieved by double tapping on the switch, holding it down. That will keep it in the strobe mode. The strobing feature itself can be programmed in or out of the light by using our traditional 10-tap programming.